Hi everybody, this is Sharon. I'm going to show you how to do your homework. This is not your course necessarily, I'm just using it as an example. So go to the portfolio page on Canvas, click on portfolio, and it will take you to something that looks like this. We'll scroll to section 2.1 for example. The first thing we're supposed to do in section 2.1 is to read the textbook. It's a review section for this course, but it just says read the textbook. Okay, so before you do anything else, you go to your textbook, turn to section 2.1 and read the material, read the examples, go through all of them until you get all the way down to the end of the section where the homework is listed. Okay, so we read the section. We go back to the portfolio. Now we're ready to click on the notes and the videos. Read the notes, watch the video, read the notes. See, these are video examples. You don't have to do anything but watch, read, absorb. Now when you get to the end of 2.1, there's a list of a whole bunch of homework problems in that section. They don't correspond with the ones I'm going to show you, but you just have to imagine that they are the same numbers from section 2.1. Okay, so we go back over to our textbook. Now we grab our little notebook. I bought this gem for $1 at the store, so you can get some good deals here. I want it to be a bound notebook, no loose leaf notebooks, okay? So we're going to go to where we're going to begin here in 2.1. So you write the section number 2.1, and then you list each of the problems that are assigned for that section, all of them in one list, and then you highlight it in a bright color. Next, you're going to go to the first question, number 27, in the back of your textbook. Write out the question. Now, I don't mind abbreviations, but I want to see the entire question, even if you have to abbreviate little portions to make it quicker. I want to see what you're being asked. Now, I highly recommend you pick up a pencil at this point instead of ink and start working on the answer. SLU is my symbol that means solution to the question. I work out the answers. You never give me an answer without explanation. These are X values for the domain, Y values for the range. I want to see why you're giving me these answers, and you always box your answers. The reason I want you to use a pencil is because if you make a mistake and your answer doesn't match the answer in the back of the text, you can erase, go get some help, and when you understand it, come back and do it correctly to give yourself full credit. Go to the next question, write it down, write out the question in ink, and then write out the answer. Box your answers. I also want you to write the section number at the bottom of each page so I'll know where I'm at if I open your notebook to any page. Okay, I continued here with the next question, answer, next question, answer with the box, section 2.1. And then I won't show all of them. I got to the last question, worked it out, box my answer. Now, I go and check the back of the textbook. If my answers match, I go back and give myself a check mark for every question that I did correctly and got the correct answer and showed my work. And wrote out the question, of course, everything. So in this particular section, I gave myself 9 points out of 11. 11 were possible. For some reason, I was unable to complete 2 of them for whatever reason, and I was being honest about it as I want you to be. That's the homework section 2.1 grade. So now we're ready to move on. We go back to the portfolio on Canvas and we scroll to 2.2. It says now read section 2.2. So you read that in your textbook, then you come back here, click on the video, watch the video, read note 45, watch the video, continue all the way through to the end of section 2.2, and here's the homework for that section. Now you go back to your textbook and you turn to the homework for that section. Now you've already read section 2.2. We are here at the homework section. All right, now we go to a new fresh page for section 2.2. Write out the entire assignment here, then start with the questions, answers, section numbers in the corner. Continue till the last problem. Write your answer, box it, explain yourself, and then grade it out of 18. This time I got them all. Okay, and that's it. It's that easy. You just keep doing that. Continue like that throughout the portfolio.